After we filmed last night's video about the Cub Cadet, it occurred to me the people that manufacture these mowers and these engines could make them a lot quieter. This is obnoxious. It's a small little engine, but it's so noisy. A new car is almost silent. Oftentimes, the loudest noise you hear from a car is when the fan kicks on, or if the wife's yelling at the kids in there, even with the windows up. They could make these a lot quieter. And you don't need to tell me about buying an electric one. I'll take my gasoline.
I was not going to tell you that.
Not interested in the battery power, Congo bricks. But I am old, and I'll die soon. So they got that going for them. Today we are going to attempt saving a cylinder head on a motorcycle I have back here. It's a beautiful day, walking with a beautiful girl. A few of you guys commented in previous videos that you like the new format of talking about topics other than mechanical things. Some of you don't like it, which is fine, and that's predictable. Kind of a cleansing. This channel has been all over the place over the years. I think we'll stick to this format of a video per day for a while. Maybe until we get to either 300 or 400,000 subscribers. You're thinking about your chicken, aren't you?
Yeah, where'd she go? There she is.
That's Demeter, goddess of the egg harvest. So some of you guys mentioned that tragedy has befallen you, and I'm really sorry about that. You're in my thoughts. Every day is a gift, and it's a shame I don't realize that on days when it would benefit me the most to realize that. It's a flaw in the design. When I'm down, if she tells me, be thankful for your life, I don't want to hear that horseshoe champion of the world. But that's not the case today. It's a great day because I'm feeling good. Reality might just be a mirror. And that's where we'll quit. This is a 1976 Honda TL250. Got it from my friend Gary. And it's a rare machine. I'm not interested in bringing it back to operating condition, but I'd like to sell the parts, distribute those back into circulation so someone can get some use out of them. I'd like to salvage the cylinder head. So I took the carburetor off. There's evidence of water having got in there. And the engine's froze up. I thought to unfreeze the engine, I could take the spark plug out, dump some oil in there, and loosen it up. That's usually the process. So I got a wrench on that spark plug and broke it right off.
Oh, no.
Poor thing. Which may render the cylinder head useless. It already doesn't look good from the carburetor port. Did you get a shot in there? From what I could see, there's oxidized aluminum.
This is challenging lighting for me.
Well, I'll put a picture of it up on the screen. It looks like the valves might be rusty and the aluminum is oxidized, but could still be savable, save for the lower half of the spark plug being stuck in the hole. I'd like to try to remove that in this video. I'm not optimistic because for the spark plug to break off like that, I was putting a little pressure on it, and I don't know if it'll come out. What you have here, what I have here, is rusty steel screwed into aluminum, which is probably corroded. And I don't know what my chances are here, but let's see. What we're going to use to attempt extracting this is a screw extractor. That's what this is. You drive this into a hole and turn it out. I've already drilled this out to the correct size right here on the screw extractor kit. It has instructions about what drill size to use. This is a 5/16 extractor. This needs to be drilled out to 5/16, which I think I've already done. I already checked to see that the piston wasn't right at top dead center, so I don't drill a hole in that too. I think I might have drilled this out, yeah. So I think that's ready to go. Next step here is to make that dog be quiet.
Good luck.
I'm all right.
There's more than one.
That dog's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yappy.
It doesn't bother me, but it is a distraction. If I was grumpy, it might bother me, but I'm all right. I'm all right.
Don't nobody worry about me. Sorry, I took your line. Oh, Demeter's singing.
So we'll give this a tappy tap.
Sorry, I activated her.
Now, chickens don't bother me.
There's her little feet.
They're peaceful, and they give breakfast. I'll tap this in here. One reason I think this might not work is because as I tap this in, it may be expanding that remainder of the spark plug out, making it even tighter.
Yeah.
And I don't know how much to tap it in there. Maybe the tapping, though, will shock it loose. I've got a ratchet, and let's just go all the way with this. Use the breaker bar. I've broken things with it before, and I'll break things with it again. Here we go. It's not turning. So what is the point of this video?
The chicken? The dogs?
Appreciate your life. If you didn't get a call at 2 in the morning that your son is in the emergency room, it's a pretty good day. That didn't happen to me. But it could have. Should I give her till she goes?
I don't know.
I don't want to waste the people's time. I don't know what's going to break. Look at this flex.
I hope it doesn't break and impale you or something.
That's not coming out. I'll get the torque wrench to show you guys how much force I'm putting on that. Okay, I've got the torque wrench on it now. We'll see how far I can go until I fear for my eyes. Maybe I'll sing to it. No, I won't. 50, 75. Oh.
Whoa! Blast. Well, now you got something else in there.
I should have sang to it. Why you got to give me a fight? This was a vintage extractor.
Aw. I would be interested to go back to the video and see how much pressure that was out when it gave.
About 80.
Ooh.
I was giving it. Now it's really scrap aluminum, near as I can tell. It's alright though. If you guys have any ideas about this scenario, let us know. And if you'd like to see yesterday's video, I'll put a link to it up on the screen. And if you're curious about what's next, I'll put tomorrow's video on there as well. Thanks for watching.